Today we are going to be touring past the Grille. I'll take you to the historic Hurricanes restaurant and more. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Howdy doody to all of the Gems family. We're here at Past the Grille Beach, Florida, and I'm going to be taking you around on a walking tour to show you what Past the Grille Beach looks like, some of the restaurants, and you can see the beautiful beach that is right across the street. But let's go on a walking tour so you can see what Past the Grille Beach has to offer. Stay tuned and be sure to hit the like and to subscribe. I love how this little, I guess you could call them Airbnbs, line, and they're all different colors, yellow and blue and green, as you can see down there, guys. Can you see that? See all the colors? It's just really beautiful right across the street from the beach. You could fish, you could swim, you could go on a boat. Yeah. Okay guys, as you can see behind me, we are at Past the Grille where they have restaurants and shops and things. So I'm gonna take you along. Come along with your girl, Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. One thing about Florida, people are gonna stare. People are going to stare and be nosy. So they do have, you know, sometimes some Airbnbs over here, but it's lots of restaurants and, you know, things to do. So let's go down to that area. So here we are, guys, 7th Avenue, and look at this. Okay, let's see what is down here, what there is to offer. Okay. Condos, and I know next to it they have some restaurants and shops here. Brass Monkey is down there. Bar and Grill. And they have a ice cream shop right here. Has these cobblestone streets and like shops, little restaurants leading down to the beach and the fishing pier. Little boutiques that you can shop at. This looks like a hotel I would come and visit and stay at. Some local artists. You can sit outside, have something to eat. Hey guys, I am here at, what is this place called? Hurricane Seafood Restaurant in St. Pete Beach. So I'm gonna show you my breakfast. Stay tuned. had to come back on and say how good this breakfast is. I decided to get a biscuit as well, and the biscuit was so fluffy, so delicious, so good. It was like buttery. I know that that one biscuit is like 700 calories, but it was worth every calorie. Here is the famous biscuit. I already ate the top. The top was crispy, delicious, really good. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my breakfast. Hello, June, to the Gems family. I hope you get to do something fun this June. Channel member shout out. Always that girl. Love baby. Leticia's third eye point of view. Dave's adventures. Boss Life Online. Serious as the Virgo from Georgia. Kicking it with the Rooks. Oliver's Vlog TV Mix. Hunter _ Killer. Lara Boss Killer. Just Call Me Sammy, Global Empire ENT Media, Cruise Life 22, Z Unpacking Life, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. If you want to be featured, join my membership. It starts at 99 cents.